Hi everyone, this is CA Satvik. Welcome to my channel again. Hope you are doing fantastic these times. And this has been a new financial year, April 2026. Everywhere, any place, anytime, you always listen AI in warfare, AI in software engineering, AI in preparing presentation, AI, AI, AI. But still in this 2026 AI era, are you typing entries one after another in Tally? I know your time. Hope this is the last day you type entries in Tally. Okay? Ever imagine passing 2000 or 3000, 4000, or entire bank statement in Tally within 5 minutes, right? It's the imagination is very good, right? Let's make that imagination into reality by end of this today's session. We'll discuss a simple practical method to import entries from Excel to Tally without any add-ons, without subscriptions, without any predetermined Excel's paid softwares, etc. Just with the inbuilt Tally Excel feature. Are you ready? Great. Let's jump into it. I'll just open the Tally. Hope we all know how to create a company. I'll just change the path. Okay. Let's give some name to it. Yeah, by now I think you are the master of shortcuts. Let's keep it simple. I'll just do Control A by taking only accounts. Wow, the tally is created. As we all know, we first go to create master. Since it's the first part of the session, we'll just pass 2000 sales entries on the same day. I'll create sales account. Okay, sales and the sales account. That's it. Control E. And we all know that Tally has defaultly given us cash account and profit and loss. So we'll just pass 2000 entries with cash account debit to sales account. Okay. So for that, we just need to import a beautiful default template given by Tally. For that, we need to go to import options. In that, go to manage sample Excel file. We know what's masters and transactions, right? I'll go to transactions. So in transactions, I'll just copy my folder path to get the Excel file. Folder path, specify path. Okay, and see now we have this template open with us. Okay, see even while passing the entries manually, many of the fields we not bother to enter. Fields like buyer's address, supplier's address, then item name, build quantity, etc. unless we are maintaining the inventory. So I'll just delete these columns because we don't need them in every entry. And even if you observe, these are not in bold. These are in the light font. So Tally format indirectly gives us a hint that these are optional. Okay. I hope we know the shortcut to remove the columns, which is Control minus. I'll also remove all these. Okay. So just these six headings which we usually enter in every entry. Okay. I'll keep this for debit side and copy paste it for the credit side as well because we need both debit and credit. Okay. Great. Orchard date for the sake of simplicity will keep it as 1st April 2026. Okay. Orchard type name, since it is cash to sales, we can either type receipt or sales orchard. Orchard number, let's start with 1. Ledger name, it is cash. Ledger amount, I'll take a random number between 1 lakh and 10 lakhs. Yeah, this is a debit. Okay. Voucher date will be same for both debit side and credit side, right? Perfect. Voucher type will also be same. Voucher number will also be same. Okay, it's just a formatting thing. Yeah. Ledger name, sales, ledger amount will be same, and this is correct. That's all, my dear friends. From now on, it's just a cakewalk. See, I'll just copy these two below. Control D shortcut, right? To copy down. Okay. Voucher number, I'll just keep adding one. So that it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then these are all same. Clear till here? Great. Now let's say if I want some 2000 entries, can go to the 2004 row and just press Ctrl D. That's all. You have 2003 debits. In the similar way, you can go to the credit side, Ctrl Shift up arrow, Ctrl D, and now you have some 2000 plus debits, 2000 plus credits. The only task is we need to get these into tally. So before that, since Tally doesn't know Excel's language, I'll copy paste these into values. Okay, we know the shortcut, I guess. Control C, Control Alt V, and values. Okay, now we all love to see the first line as debit, second line as credit, because from our education we have been seeing that way. Tally also allows to see entries in that way. So I'll take the entire credit data, cut it, and paste it below the debit. So I'll do Control Shift down arrow, Control X, come down, Control V. Okay, this heading is already there. I'll just remove it. Control minus. It. Now I'll just go to the top cell. I'll apply the filters. Control Shift L. Smallest to largest. Hooray! We got each transaction debit and credit, debit and credit, debit and credit. Correct? From now on, it's very simple, my friends. Just save this Excel, close it, go to Tally, here import, in this select transactions. Okay, we are having it in our Excel spreadsheet. Correct. Here you specify the path where we have saved the Excel. Copy it, paste, select the Excel there, accounting voucher. It is an accounting voucher sheet. Let's go with default template. See here we also have an option to create templates. We'll discuss that part in our next video. If you guys provide me comment, I'll show you detailed way of importing entire bank statement within 5 minutes, having narration and various other things. Okay? Don't forget to comment if you want that video. We'll go with default template now. I want to preview the input summary. If it is the first time you are experimenting, you can take the backup of a company. I am sure I will not get any problem. So I'm not keeping the backup as no. Okay, enter. See, it shows I have 2003 entries which are under receipt for importing. Okay, I'll just click import. Guys, that's all. It's perfectly imported now. We can go to debug and see all transactions appearing here. Similar way, we can go to statistics by pressing Alt G. See here also we have 2003 transactions. Not required to say, but just to open P&L balance sheet everywhere. This has been updated. That's all, my friends.